Oh, what's good, babe? Gher Nyiao Po? Huh? Gher Nyiao Po, babe?
Not here yet. Where are we going?
We'll go home.
No, like 2 weeks.
Oh, yeah.
Where are we going?
We'll go somewhere.
14-hour drive?
Yeah, to Yellowstone.
I want to go to Korea.
Korea?
Yes,
For what?
because they get a good food there. Very good food. I'm a big fan. We're only staying there for 3 days?
Yeah.
At school, I think I popped my pimple.
Yeah?
Bye, Benson! I brought, cause in breakfast I didn't finish my food, so I decided to take it home, my, apple lemon tea.
I can't, bruh.
My friend said hi to you.
I
Did
don't
you
care.
say hi
Oh,
to
it's
my
Gher
friend?
Nyiao Po. Bad. No, don't
Oh
say
yeah, I
that.
forgot when I was in Zumba, Aaron was in Aaron B. You made no money, didn't you?
Cause look what's in my backpack. No, look what's in the big pocket. The big pocket.
Babe, you want to hold it? Joey, you want to hold it?
I bought them.
Joey, you want to hold it?
I bought them.
You want to hold it?
No, I don't.
Babe, you want to hold it?
No.
What? Put him on.
Huh?
Let me just hold it, bro. This is
Like
live?
that. Yeah. It's live.
Can I have some? Can I have one?
No, I'm selling them.
I'm gonna eat these.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna eat these.
No. Unless you got
I'm
$3.
gonna drink these. Aaron B. Yeah.
Who's Aaron B?
Aaron Guerrero. But anyways.
You mean
he
Aaron
said
Guerrera?
Guerrera?
Yeah.
Is Guerrera?
Yes.
Not Aaron G.
Oh.
Aaron B.
I don't know who Aaron B is.
You don't. Okay. I'm not telling what he said.
Aaron G is your friend's sister. I mean, brother.
How much you wanna bet?
Aaron B, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your friend's brother.
Exactly. That's Julian. Is that?
No. I mean, yeah.
Julian.
Want to do a driver chip?
Is that lemon?
Oh, that's too
Girl.
cold.
My hand hurt, uncle.
I know you need your haircut.
I said my hand hurt, uncle, not my haircut, uncle.
Okay, actually, Ah, baby.
Where do I need a haircut?
No, baby, you hold it.
Oh, here.
No, it's okay. No.
Hold me, I'm gonna join it right now, babe.
No.
Why, babe?
Cause she's scared.
Oh my goodness. That's your friend.
Where? Oh yeah.
Right there.
Oh, that tall dude?
Yeah, it's Mia.
That's your friend?
No.
Mia looked at you like she gave you the blue like side eye.
Uncle, can I go to rec?
No.
Oh my, shut up.
What is that?
No. Oh, Aaron B said. I forgot to tell you. He said he was gonna
Can we go to rec?
What?
I wanna go to rec.
What is that?
Rec.
Rec.
Recreation center.
No.
You can go in the gym now.
Recreation.
Take the damn phone.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Hold it.
Mm-mm.
Put up.
You fucked Hamida.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. No.
Yeah.
Come on.
Shit. Kai, can I borrow your snack?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Why?
Because I already bought them. I paid $10 for them.
Oh, not these ones. that you bought.
What? No, baby, I'm running out.
Okay. I'll give you $1.
No, baby, I'm running out. And mother might get
I'll give you $1.
$1. Still no, baby, I'm running out. Okay, you can give me $1. But I'm running out, though. You need to go buy some things.
I can bring it from school there. Yeah?
Close. Too close?
Too close, motherfucker.
Don't say that, babe.
I said motherfucker, bro. Cause if I curse, they're gonna be like, don't say that word! Don't do that! Bad habit!
Okay, good. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Here, you can have a free empty apple juice.
Give me a bag. Give me a bag.
Here.
Đấy gọi đi, nó chở cho nó là. Hmm? It's a cucumber. This is cucumber. This one is avocado. This is a Thai basil. Eggplants. Basil. So, we comment on. This is chili plants. Chili plants. This is my front yard. This is cherry tomatoes. Basil. This is rose flower. This rose flower
These are rose flowers. Basketball hook. A lot of cameras around here and here too. There's a camera here. Open the door.
Hi, that's not the box.
Không? Nó gõ. Chỉ là nó gõ. Lên được không? Đây là té lên gì? Em không? Thi à gọi là. Thi à lên. Ami order per non đôi này.
Lên lên bà bố lên lên đôi lên non.
Nó phone này. Cái đôi này.
Thôi thôi nhà nhỉ.
Order này cái túi đi. Order cái túi.
Nếu mẹ uống ăn đó mà có buồn thì.
Dạ. Anh order.
Cô đã order mẹ uống lên nhỉ? Order mẹ uống lên gì để thi theo à nè. Ra hay. Thế nào vậy? Em mò được qua. Quên được chi mua rồi. Cái khi thôi nó đi. Cái khi thôi thì chi lời lại.
Okay. Guys. Đó là mì à? Nothing. Nothing.
Mommy.
Babe, you want to say something? Joey, you want to say something? Joey, you want to say something? Babe, yeah. Babe, you want to say something? 여보.
It's in my room. I mean, in your room. It's in my wallet.
Babe, come here, babe. You want to say something, babe?
No.
Why? Why, babe? Jobo, you want to say something? Oh my goodness. Guys, you like my new floor, babe? Babe. I see you. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, I see you. What are you looking for, babe? Hey, give me one water, please. The water that almost a little bit high. No, I have one. Yeah, thank you. Babe. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, we see you guys next video. Thank you guys for watching our video. If you like our video channel, hit subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well. Thank you guys. Have a good day. See you next video.